Welcome to Frost RV. We are Tucson's newest RV dealer and strive to be the best. We have been in the RV industry for over 20 years and we have figured out how to deliver the same unit at a much better value. Check us out 24/7 at www.frostrv.com. Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Forest River Salem 24. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Just like new without the new price. Great lightweight floor plan with walk-around queen bed, 2 bunks, wrap-around booth dinette, all-electric hitch jack, stab jacks, and awning, outside speakers, outside rinsing station, pass-through storage, and good inside closets. All upgraded flooring, air conditioning, 2-door fridge, stovetop with oven, just waiting for a new owner to go camping. Don't Mississippi this one. Thank you for viewing the Frost RV channel.